The Dunn County Director of Public Health says there have been 2 confirmed cases of whooping cough in the Elk Mountain School District. The first case was confirmed last Friday, the second confirmed Monday. Whooping cough, also known as pertussis, is caused by bacteria spread from person to person. It can be deadly to infants and young children. Officials say whooping cough is preventable and there is a vaccine, although you can still contract it even if you have been vaccinated.
The big differences between whooping cough and a cold are that it's a really persistent cough. It lasts untreated up to a couple weeks, but definitely more than a week. And then it can be such a severe cough that it's hard for kiddos particularly to catch their breath.
Health officials say people with whooping cough can be contagious for up to 21 days, and that infectious period can be reduced to 5 days with antibiotics.